Hey everyone, have you ever wondered why 94% of diets fail? It might not be your fault, but your guts. Today I'm spilling the beans on 3 top-secret protocols straight from Stanford's Microbiome labs that transformed gut health in just 30 days. So, if you're ready for a gut reset, stick around. First up, psyllium husk layering. A 2025 study from the Karolinska Institute showed that taking psyllium husk at 7 p.m. increased mucin production by 137%. Here's the trick. Use the triple layer method. Psyllium husk, aloe water, and trace minerals. Just ask Mrs. Smith, a teacher who shrank her waist by 3 inches in only 14 days using this nightly routine. Amazing, right? Next, chia seed hydrogel activation. MIT's 2025 research found that prepping chia seeds as a gel for 20 minutes can remove 89% more endotoxins. This gel binds harmful estrogen-like compounds, helping detoxify your body. Pro tip, add a teaspoon of black cumin oil to your chia pudding. It doubles your liver's detox enzymes. Finally, oat beta-glucan fermentation. In a Cambridge 2025 trial, overnight oat fermentation boosted butyrate levels by 233%. This supercharges your gut's Akkermansia bacteria, essential for a healthy microbiome. As Dr. Nathan Chen said, your gut isn't lazy, it's starving for strategic fiber. Ready to turn your gut into a fat-burning furnace? Smash that subscribe button. Gut Reset Protocol. Circadian fiber timing charts, SCFA boosting recipes, and gut permeability test strips. Your gut transformation starts now. Remember, your gut is waiting to transform. Let's make it happen together. Now, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.